Another shader in using new standard, double click new shader in texture part, texture section is Colorizer. It's very simple and interesting. First, it gives you a gradient. You can create a gradient. First, just double click to create a simple gradient. Holding control to add a lots of gradient and change them. Double click, different color. Double click. Let's try another color. Yeah, this is our gradient. It gives this gradient that you create here, and you learn how to use them. I explained it before to refer to previous lesson. It gives you this gradient to the texture, another texture channel that you prefer. You can load image, for example. I load a flower and no, I don't want to. And this is our flower. It gives this. You can right click and open a new window. This is it gives this gradient to that flower that you input. Input is luminance or in a hue of that, color or in saturation of that, based on saturation, based on light of that, or based on red color, green, and you can choose different situation. So it gives this gradient that you can change it. For example, I change it to simply this color and double click, make it white. Yeah, so you can control you can actually colorize everything. This is our flower here. You can see this is our flower. Come back, and this is our shader. Or you can, of course, give it another, for example, noise, another simple noise to this, or choosing click noise, choose, for example, another noise. You can colorize everything. If you choose a noise, you have to choose two color. In this case, you can choose any color that you want, and all setting will be changed here. You can come back, and this is uncolorized based on luminance, based on hue. You can choose between them. In this case, hue does not mean anything. So colorize is this. Choose a gradient here, and it gives to another textural channel everything that you can choose here. For now, gradient again, gradient to gradient, but it does not mean. Just it means in a noise and a simple image that you insert. That's it.